And we're back. Cooking, vlogging, whatever you want to call it. Hello everyone. Just had a few days off with a lad. He's gone back to the army now. One thing we didn't know and we didn't realise is you usually get to sign on for 4 years, if you get what I mean. And we was always told when they get to phase 2 they have like a 7-week grace period to see whether they want to leave or not. We was always told that, but I don't know whether the rules changed or what, but now it's as soon as you turn 18 you automatically signed up for 4 years, and he's 18 next Thursday. And that's a little bit stressed at that, ain't you, Bab? Bit stressed at that, ain't you? Hoping he's, yeah, not stressed, just hoping he's making the right decision, ain't it, really?
Just getting used to it.
Getting used to it, so.
A bit hard this one.
Yeah. So we didn't realise that. We always told he had like a 7-week grace period, but
he's not bothered about it.
But he's not bothered about it. It's just come a bit of a shock to us, hasn't it? Really. And he's not here for his birthday.
No,
next, which is the worst thing. His 18th birthday. He's not here for that next Thursday, which is a shame. Which ain't going to be too easy, is it? You know. So, but yeah, he seems to be loving it at the minute, doesn't he? He's only been there a couple of days. I did do a vlog. Well, can't really call it a vlog. I don't know. It's only about a 5-minute thing. The weather was absolutely terrible, wasn't it? So I couldn't really vlog it. It was just pouring with rain. I didn't really want to vlog where he was driving because I wanted to concentrate, because you couldn't see 2 cars in front of you at times. We'd done a pret at the services and that was absolutely disgusting, weren't it, Bab?
that was vile.
What was it like?
Hot lettuce.
Hot lettuce.
Oh.
It was disgusting.
Oh, it seems horrible.
I might upload that, I don't know. It's only about 2 minutes long, that's all. I don't know. Pret in the services, taking the lad back to the army. And the price is blow you away. Let me show you what I've had, look. Obviously I've had a cappuccino, £4 each. One for me, one for Nat. I've had that everyday sandwich, cheese and pickle, say somewhere where it is. So yeah, so it says anyway, cheese and pickle. That, Nat's had that, and if you look at her face, oh. The lads had the KFC, he's had the best. £20 just for the press, just for the 2 sandwiches and the 2 coffees. And that's supposed to be a classic cheese toasty, and it's disgusting. Bless her. And
It's got all lettuce in it. Got
lettuce in it and everything.
It's hot sandwich, it's got lettuce in it.
Hot lettuce and that.
Nasty. Some weird stuff leaking out.
Yeah, been on the road a few hours, haven't we? Yeah, we've got about another hour and a half to go or something. No, about an hour to go. So, having a bit of a break. I don't know where to put my phone. Let's have a look at this thing. So the lads are about the best. That was $10.99 for that single person bucket. I've never had a prep before. I don't think I will again. By the looks of the things, for the price. Mind your services are really expensive anyway. See nothing in there. Oh, that doesn't taste very nice at all. What's that?
The tomatoes got gone off.
Taste one of them tomatoes.
I can tell from there, the tomatoes got gone off. From that. What's he called? Cracks.
People like boy, I don't know, but that's fine. Hold on like that.
Oh, them tomatoes don't look right.
Oh,
This has one.
that is rough.
What's the date on that? 27.
Posh cheddar and pickle.
Today's date.
Oh, that's terrible. Can't get my phone any better, guys. I'm at an angle, but nothing I can do. No, that no good, that.
Can't eat it, I'm sorry.
For £6, no good.
Oh,
It
look
looks
at it.
disgusting, eh? Yeah.
That lettuce tastes like it's like a garden.
Try a bit of that.
Garden.
Try a bit.
Put them on.
Definitely.
No, it's wet. It's wet. Can't eat the food. Don't eat that, it's gonna make it bad. Them tomatoes on. Look, it's all brown. Is that the pickle? Is that the jar tomatoes?
What do you mean, like the...
No, not when you get them out of that. No, not
It might be, but it's plain right.
Do you want to call it up on the tomato?
Nah, sure. I'm going to eat it because I paid £6 for it, but... Oh, you've got 2 fries there, 1 fries for your mum.
You eat them?
Unless you want it.
No, you eat them, mate. Try that.
That looks terrible. That looks really bad.
It's disgusting. It tastes like one of cheese. It's been in the garden rolled around. I can't eat it, sorry. I've ate most of it. Like, I took it out and going, oh, that looks disgusting. Mama says it does, don't eat it because that looks rough.
There's a KFC, son. Alright. KFC looks alright, doesn't it, actually?
It's got a better choice.
Quite a few pieces of chicken in there. Oh. Never doing that again, ever.
No.
Never.
Do people rave about it?
Yeah, right, especially in London and that, I think.
I've never heard about it before. But busy.
Twice. I know it's a service thing, but that was ridiculous, isn't it?
And I only followed when she said it.
Yeah.
And I'm not being funny, you'd expect something better than that.
Yeah.
I know people are hungry and they've been on the road for ages, but you'd at least expect something than that. That's just a waste. It's vile. It's supposed to be classic cheese, but classic cheese toasty. It comes out a bit.
Sorry?
I can't.
I'm sorry.
You show
That's
them?
a classic cheese.
That's my classic cheese toasty. It's vile. Can't eat it. I bet most
Classic
of
cheese
it.
toast is cheese, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah,
Classic cheese toast is cheese toasted.
but there's something else in there as well.
Never
Lettuce
done
and
there again.
something.
Never do.
No, I never do crepes again. That's a waste of money, that
Never
was.
do crepes again ever. Next time I'll stop off at a pub again somewhere and have a meal. But what, I mean, that cost me what? 20,
£30.
30 quid. A sandwich and a coffee. With beef chicken.
Oh,
Never mind.
never mind, I own.
Just dropped him off. Nice and simple that was, not like last time. Drop off and go. Dump and go, as they say. So now we're just bang on for us now because it's 11:30. We're back for about... We're going to stop off, get some sweet on the way back, aren't we? Yeah? Yeah. So yeah, I don't know if you can see what's going on over there. You can see. We drop them in the huts over here. I don't think you can see. Drop them over there. Right, and we're going to go back now. Another what? 3.5 hours? Something like that, innit? 3.5 hours. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. All upset. Yeah. Bless her. Yeah. But anyway, we're off out today. We're going to go out now having a chill day. We're going to get something to eat, haven't we, Bab?
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do today. Oh,
Sorry.
we're going to get something to eat because I haven't even planned anything or anything. So we're going into town. We're going to have a coffee, ain't we? And decide where we're going. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do. We're in Nat's Local. Greg's. We're going to get something to eat in a bit. It's still early yet. So we thought we'd come and have a coffee, didn't we, Bab?
Yeah.
And I was going to do today a food challenge today, but I'm not feeling up to it. I've got to feel up to it before I do it. It's a big one in the pub, which is up there, but that's where we're going to go get something to eat. And I've got a food challenge on. I'll leave a picture of what it is. I'm not going to do it today because I'm not feeling up to it. I felt up to it yesterday. I said I'm going to do it today, but I'm not. I've got to feel up to it to attempt it. So we're going to do that in probably in a couple of weeks' time. Might have to starve myself for a day or two to attempt it. Do you reckon I'll do it, Bab?
Not a chance, no.
Not a chance. Not a chance. I don't. No way will I do it either.
Way.
But I'm going to attempt it. My first attempt, isn't it? Of doing a food challenge, so I'll attempt it anyway.
It's huge.
I'll do it in a couple of weeks' time. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, we'll show you when we go in the boozer. I'm going to ask about this food challenge. I don't know if you have to book it, either. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you might have to book it.
You might have to book it, mightn't you? And it might be only a certain time of the day or something,
yeah,
mightn't
it might be.
So I'll ask them anyway. We're going to get something as well. I think it's 2 for 13 quid. It's 2 for 13 quid. Only having something simple, nothing major, like, you know what I mean? So that's what we're going to do. Ain't we, Bab?
Yep.
Right, off to get something to eat now, ain't we, Bab?
Yep.
We've been here before. I did do a review of it before, sort of. We only had a sandwich. I think it was only a sandwich we had, weren't it, last time?
Yeah, I had a steak salad.
Yeah.
It was really nice.
So this time I thought I'd come and try, I think it's 2 meals for £13 or something. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I don't know if there's going to be any music in here. That's going to be my problem. Mini battered cod. Oh, okay. Wasp. There you go, that's it there. I might have a steak pie. I might. I think that's what I'm going to have. What are you going to have, Bab?
One steak, chips, but no peas.
What are you having?
One steak, chips, but no peas.
What, steak pie? Oh, a steak. 5 ounce rump steak?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and get some food
chips.
then. And chips. No peas.
Yeah.
Right, everyone, we're in the pub. I've ordered me food. I can't record in there. It's got music. So I'm going to record with no sound. I just put my own music over it, so I won't be able to really vlog in there because you just get tucked down. But you'll see the food. It's nothing special. It's 2 for 13. Saver menu, so you don't expect it to be big. But I'll get the proper review after. I'll just show you the video when it comes, that's all, with my own music on. 1, 2, 3. Food's here.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. Go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. PCH country limit.
That's all right. We're back home, as you can see.
Just in time. It's
Just in
absolutely
time, just
smashing it.
started pouring down the rain. Yeah, I couldn't really talk in there. I did try, but he's picking up the music and he just gets took down. So, we'll give a final review now. Nat really enjoyed hers, didn't
I
you?
really like mine, yeah.
Anything else to say about it?
Just the chips could have been just a little bit crunchy.
Yeah, the chips could have been fried more, couldn't they?
Yeah, because I put some vinegar on and then near the end of my dinner, it was
You had 2 chips left and it was a bit
it
soggy,
really
wasn't it?
they went a bit soggy, yeah. That's my only,
Yeah.
that's my only knock with it, really.
Mine was the same with the fries. It could have been fried a lot more or left in the oven or whichever way I'd have done them.
Yeah.
It didn't look like it was deep fried, did it? It looked like it was oven. My pie, as you've seen, tried to cover it up, didn't I, really? But it didn't bother me because I do like a bit of a burnty pie, so it didn't bother me anyway. But it might some people. But all in all, you got to remember, it wasn't a big meal. I mean, it's filled us up, innit?
I'm full up, I am, yeah.
Full up. £6.50 a meal, innit?
Yeah,
Which
it's
isn't bad value, is
It's
it, for the
not bad
two?
value,
So we
that's
have to
not-
buy the two, right? Obviously, $12.99 for two, which isn't bad, is it?
No.
For what you get.
For what you get, yeah.
Yeah, and that's all. So I'm going to get a 7. I'm going to get a 7 as a... I don't think that's okay. Because that's what it is. It's a savoury meal. I don't think that's okay. A 7. You're not expecting gourmet, are you?
No.
So I think that's about fine. Heavens have opened up. What are you going to get? Because you like your steak, don't you? You like your tomatoes.
I'm going to give it 7.5.
You're going to get a 7.5 just because of the chips?
What?
Or what? Or you just all in all?
All in all,
Yeah.
7.5. I'm not
Yeah.
going to like, sit here and
No, I know that.
nitpick because inside, like you said,
It's a savoury meal, isn't it? Savoury
and
food.
it filled me up.
And it filled us up. And there's a
Yeah.
lot of OAPs going there, don't they? So, you know, that's obviously where they go for the dinner.
Yeah.
2 of them.
It was nice.
You know.
I really
And it was
liked
nice, weren't it? Just showing back the music, weren't it? Yeah, and I say I was going to do that like challenge, but I wasn't up for it. And I would have, when I go and do it, I'm going to ask them to turn the music off because I want to do that properly, if you get what I mean. Which, I'm never going to eat all that, am I?
No.
Not in a million years. But I want to see how far I can get as a little challenge for myself anyway. All in all, yeah. That's it. It's just to bring us back somewhat early. I say I was going to do that food challenge, but then I decided not to. I wasn't in the right frame of mind. So yeah, all in all, thank you for bearing with us. We've had an hectic few days, haven't we, Bab?
Yeah.
We're absolutely worn out, haven't we? So we'll be back now. I'm going live Thursday to do my tasty coins, Christian. That's for Thursday. I'm going to have to do it on my phone because the weather keeps playing up. I can't have my PC outside. So I'm hoping I can get a Wi-Fi. I'll probably do a little test on it tomorrow for myself to make sure I can get everything set up. And apart from that, we're back. That's back to doing a couple of videos this week, ain't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. And just thanks for bearing with us while we've been sorting the lad out and that. And until the next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye. To the weather now.
I had to shut my back door.
He's on the door. Soaked.